Does Uber actually want their drivers to strike? What's up everyone? Welcome back to another episode of the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. I am sweaty. I just got back from the gym. Wanted to make this quick video. I know I've been going to the gym a lot recently because I'm trying to get back in shape because it's almost summertime and I'm gonna go to the beach and I gotta look good, feel good, gotta get that six-pack back. This is actually an interesting video, guys. Most of my videos are boring, just kidding. I try to make them as interesting as possible and also share like different insights. So the Uber strike. Does Uber actually want their drivers to strike? It's an interesting question. I like to play kind of a devil's advocate approach to this because, you know, and I also want to hear your thoughts because if you guys didn't know, Uber and Lyft, I guess mostly Uber's IPOing. Lyft already did their IPO, but Uber's gonna IPO. Coming with that, a lot of drivers want to go on strike because they want to get a fair wage, but also they want to like affect the IPO, I guess, you know, to get payback on Uber, which now the more I think about it, I actually think it might have might help the IPO. It might actually boost the IPO price if people do go on strike. Let me show you really quickly this article. I'm just gonna read one sentence from it. Wall Street investors are telling Uber and Lyft to cut down on driver income, stop incentives, and go faster to driverless cars. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. This is from Business Insider. That's who Desai says. Who is Desai? This guy. Desai. Desai Uber. Let's see who this guy is. Who is Desai? I don't know who Desai is. I don't know, Desai is everywhere. If you guys know who Desai is, let me know. Oh, Shrey Desai, he's this guy. If you guys know who this guy is, he is the guy, he is saying that, oh, he's a software engineer at Uber, okay. He says that Wall Street investors don't care about drivers. They actually want Uber to pay drivers less and so they can hurry up to get to driverless cars, because if you guys know anything about the rideshare industry right now, everyone's trying to get their driverless car, autonomous vehicles out. Tesla's just announced that they're releasing a million driverless taxis within the next year. Uber, Lyft, Aurora, there's a bunch of companies trying going after driverless cars, but Uber is one of them, of course, the biggest one. And their IPO is basically to raise money for the driverless cars. If you guys didn't know, Uber's been spending $20 million a month on driverless cars. I wouldn't call him a friend, but I know somebody who works at Uber on driverless cars. The guy is a genius. And he's like low down, so I can't even imagine I did go to a conference the other day. A driverless car, it wasn't a driverless car conference, but it was artificial intelligence, machine learning, and robotics conference. Uber was there talking about their driverless cars. It's actually really inspiring because they're just very intelligent people. But yeah, basically Uber's IPO is all about, they're betting on their driverless cars. Like, they don't want to replace drivers, but they want to, if they can, whoever can add that option to have a driverless car, it's gonna take a long time for no drivers to exist. Like, will probably come eventually, but for now, they'll just have this added option to have a driverless car. And if Uber can get that as quicker as possible, or say that they can, investors are gonna invest a lot more. And if investors see that drivers are on strike and that they're unhappy, they're actually going to say, oh, this is great, you know, drivers are unhappy, you know, it's only proof, or it's only more of an incentive to go towards driverless cars. So if you're thinking about going on the Uber strike, you know, I would think twice, because it could actually, you know, help the IPO out. So let me know if you guys agree with this. I want to just make this video super quickly and get it out there before the strike, so you guys, you know, just so you guys know that thought about it. And actually, it might help Uber if you go on strike. Uber might actually want you to go on strike, because it might actually drive their IPO price up rather than down. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys are great. Just wanted to share this little tidbit with you guys. And yeah, I'll talk to you all soon. Hopefully I'll be making a couple more videos this week. Until next time, this has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. I will talk to you all soon. All right, bye guys.